So if I were to go around over here onto the text tool and click and drag around the text box and type something, let's say for example TutorTube YouTube channel right here, just like this, then what this is a text right here. So let me just go around and left line this right here, just like this, and then go around and then change around the indentation right here. So you can see that this is a text itself. But let's say what I want is, without actually going around and then rotating or making any changes, I want this to be turned into pixels so I can work with it. So in order to do that, you can go around over here while selecting out the text itself. You can go around over here onto the layers menu. So you need to go around onto the layers menu around over here, and then what you need to do is discard text information. So once I go around and do this, what happens is that now it gets turned into pixels, as you can see right here. So if I were to go around now, you can see that I can work around with it as if it was regular pixels. And that is how you can work around and then turn text into pixels inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.